a ticket that will not latch, will not stay latched when it's folded, that does have the single hole, but does not have this square tab on the dinosaur. There's a variation. If the locking peg does not hit the hole, if it does not line up, there's another way to fix that. Tool you need is a large box end wrench. A 17 usually works, and you fit the wrench around the end of the dinosaur and pull up. You will not actually feel it bend, but it will bend ever so slightly, and it allows the hole and the peg to align.